Hello everyone, welcome to T&W Electronics. Today I'll be teaching you how to turn your iPhone or other iOS device on low power modes. First you need to open settings and enter your control center. Once in your control center, you click on customize controls. Once you're in your customize section, you need to make sure you have low power mode added in your include section. If you're not, for example, I'll do it with my alarm, all you have to do is press the green plus sign, it'll be added. So let me remove it really quick. So now that you've done that, you need to swipe up from the bottom of your screen and go look at the very bottom. Down at the bottom, you'll see a battery. You click on it, and it'll turn a yellowish orange. And that means your low power mode's on. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.